Crutchfield, Fairview, and Wakefield Elementary schools were all built in the 1950s and do not meet current educational and building requirements. While the schools have been renovated a total of 20 times, renovations are unable to address challenges related to underground utilities, technology infrastructure, and space for growth. A recent assessment of each school's condition and age determined that the cost to fully renovate gets too close to the cost of rebuilding, and renovations would not address all of the building's structural and operational deficiencies. That's why a committee of community members recommended that the district rebuild Crutchfield and Fairview and construct an early childhood center on the Wakefield site. The new schools would be more efficient and larger to accommodate enrollment growth. They would also include all the latest safety, security, and technology features to enhance the learning environment. It's possible to build these new schools with the district's existing tax rate due to high-tech manufacturing and industry growth in Sherman. Early voting begins April 24th and runs through May 2nd. Election Day is May 6th. Learn more about the proposed projects at shermanisd.net/bond.